Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am showing you guys how to make your own homemade pumpkin spice lattes. It is super easy to make. You will never need to go to the store ever again. There are just a few ingredients, takes no time at all. Okay, let's get started. Right over here on my stovetop, I have a large pot. I'm gonna put this on a medium-high heat. And to this, literally we're just gonna dump in all the ingredients. Right over here, I have some whole milk. I'm gonna pour straight into there. And if you're trying to be low fat or whatever, you can put like skim milk or 2%, whatever you want. But as you guys know, I'm not exactly cutting down on the fat. I like nice fatty food, so I'm gonna put in nice whole milk. We're gonna go in there with some coffee, some actual pumpkin, which I don't know if the stores do this, but I like to put in some real pumpkin puree into my pumpkin spice lattes. Perfect. I'm also gonna go in there with some brown sugar for a little bit of sweetness. Here we're gonna go in with some pumpkin spice, hence the name pumpkin spice latte, but I'm gonna reserve just a touch for sprinkling on top of the drink. Then I'm gonna add in some vanilla extract for some more flavor. Let's grab a whisk and just mix this together until it is fully combined. And the reason I'm using a whisk to mix this together is you kind of want it to be a little frothy, like a real latte you would get at the store. So whisk it up so it's nice and frothy, and you just want to heat it up until it is nice and warm. All the sugar has dissolved, everything's fully combined, nice and warm, and then we're just gonna ladle it into our mug, top it with some whipped cream, and we're good to go. Okay, so as you see, our latte is now super hot. We have lots of steam. All right, right over here, I have a nice rustic mug because I feel like if you're gonna have a pumpkin spice latte, you've gotta have it in a mug. And let's just get a nice ladle of this and pour it straight into there. It seriously smells incredible. Okay, perfect. Let's just bring this over here. It is super, super hot. And if you look in there, you can see we have little specks of the pumpkin spice. Oh my God, I wish there was like smell-o-vision on YouTube that you guys could smell how amazing this smells. Right over here, I have some homemade whipped cream, super easy. Just whip up some cream in your mixer and add a little bit of sugar. You can also use from like the can, or not the can, what am I saying? Like, you know what I'm talking about. Any type of whipped cream that you can have, put it on here. Let's get a nice dollop right over there. And then if you remember, we saved some of the pumpkin spice. Just take a little pinch of that, sprinkle it right on top for a little bit of presentation. And there you go, you made your own homemade pumpkin spice latte. Let's just take a second to appreciate how incredible this looks. Okay, I think it is now time to take a sip. I mean, look at that. It is super nice and warm. It's freezing outside right now. This is exactly what I want in my hand. And let's go in for the sip. Okay, wow, that literally just tastes absolutely amazing. You have the pumpkin, then the warmth from the cinnamon, the coffee. I don't drink coffee ever, but I make an exception for a pumpkin spice latte because it is seriously that good. If you guys want to make this at home, which, I mean, after watching this, I don't know how you can't want to make it at home. The link, as always, is in the description box below. And if you haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button. It's right down there. It's free and easy to click, so be sure to click that so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Okay, I'm going to go finish drinking this amazing pumpkin spice latte, and stay tuned next week. Homemade pumpkin spice buns, life-changing. I'm telling you. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.